Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cloudways, deploy and manage cloud servers step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Cloudways, which is www.cloudways.com. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click the Login button to proceed. After logging in, you will be directed to the Cloudways dashboard. Here, you can see your existing projects and servers. To deploy a new cloud server, click on the Add Server button. Select your preferred cloud provider from the available options. Choose a server plan that fits your requirements. Then, select the desired application you want to install on the server. Add your server name for easy identification. Click on the Launch button to initiate the deployment process. Wait a few moments as Cloudways sets up your new server. Once the server is successfully deployed, it will appear on your dashboard. To manage your server, click on the server name you just created. Here, you will find various options like settings, monitoring, and backups. Explore these options to customize and manage your server effectively. When finished, you can log out by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select the Logout option to exit your Cloudways account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.